fool about my ears. Quit fooling about my ears, said the wolf. That's not nice. Then he read another good look at Granny. He said, when was the last time you saw a dentist? And the wolf replied, none of your business. Why, my fangs are just fine. It's better to eat you with. Oh. Little Red shrieked and jumped onto the practicing pole that Granny had installed for her.
Practicing pool?
Up the pole she climbed, just in time too. But first and forth through that door came none only but the woodsman and his axe. Actually, it was one of the nail strippers that dressed up a fireman. Anyway, he burst through the door, chases that wolf deep, deep into the forest where he belongs. Little Red slides down their pole and skips merrily off home with a fireman pulling his golden ladder behind him. All lived happily ever after. Oh, one more thing. Granny was none worse for the wear. She was used to rough a couple times.
You did that on the walk. Fucking loaded.